Welcome to the show called Beyond Our Galaxy. On today's show, we're going to be talking about another interesting subject in the field of astronomy: galaxies. There are many kinds of galaxies found in our big universe today. We're going to be talking about the three different kinds of galaxies on this show today. The definition of a galaxy is this: a system whereas there are millions and possibly billions of stars, and they are made up of gas and dust being held together by a gravitational center. There are basically three different kinds of galaxies found in our universe. A spiral galaxy, a galaxy for which stars and gas clouds are mostly located in spiral arms. Elliptical galaxy, this kind of galaxy is in the shape of an ellipsoidal formation. Elliptical galaxies tend to be smooth and are very bright as well. Irregular galaxies. These galaxies have lots and lots of gas and dust inside of them. They tend not to have any kind of shape or form to them. American astronomer Edward P. Hubble, 1889 and 1953, develops a law called Hubble's Law. This law states that two objects such as distant galaxies and Earth are connected with each other as they move away from each other. Here in this picture is astronomer Hubble observing the galaxies through the telescope. Here is a diagram as it details what the expanding universe and galaxies are expanding outwards to. Note the many different kinds of factors involved in the expanding universe seen here. Note the correlationship between the open, closed, and the universe compared with the separation of the galaxies. I find that very fascinating indeed. NASA launches the Hubble Space Telescope on board this shuttle called Discovery, and was launched into space on April 24, 1990. Hubble Space Telescope, named after astronomer Edward P. Hubble, orbits about 347 miles above Earth, traveling about 4.7 miles per hour. Total cost, $2.5 billion. The next few pictures will show some of the galaxies the Hubble Space Telescope took. So just sit right back down in an easy chair with your warm cup of coffee, relax, and enjoy. Just how many galaxies are there in the universe? There are some 100 billion galaxies located throughout our universe alone. Astronomer Hubble, while studying the galaxies, came up with another diagram about the galaxies. The diagram that Hubble came up with is called the fort. It is a diagram showing the progression of elliptical galaxies as it moves towards spirals and irregular galaxies. Here are some more pictures of the three different kinds of galaxies found throughout the universe to enjoy. So sit right back and you're down in your easy chair, relax, and enjoy. Here's a picture diagram of what a spiral galaxy looks like. Know how complex a spiral galaxy is. A simple diagram of a spiral galaxy. The nucleus, black hole, exists here where the arrow is pointing. Spiral arm, the stars and dust expand outwards here where the arrow is pointing. Central bulge. This is where the center of gravity gets big and is very noticeable in size, seen where the arrow is pointing at. Next are some pictures of elliptical galaxies. So keep on enjoying your warm cup of coffee in your easy chair and relax. Here's a diagram of what an elliptical galaxy is made up of. Indeed, galaxies can be interesting things to study and observe for enjoyment. Here now are some pictures of irregular galaxies to view. So keep on enjoying that warm cup of coffee, relax in your easy chair, and enjoy. Here's a picture diagram of what an irregular galaxy looks like. Irregular galaxies have no shape or form to them. Another interesting object found in the irregular galaxies are called black holes. There are two kinds of irregular galaxies with similar names but different in size called large and small Magellanic clouds. These can be seen in the next two pictures. Large Magellanic cloud. Small Magellanic cloud. Just how many galaxies can there be in our big universe? There could be as many as 170 billion galaxies located in our universe alone. There have been many astronomers who have studied these galaxies as well. For now, however, we will take a brief look at three of these astronomers. The Greek astronomer Aristotle from 384 BC to 322 BC. Aristotle had stated that the galaxies, especially the Milky Way, happen in one of these two ways. One, by the ignition of some fiery exhalation of some stars, or two, they were large, numerous, and stars too close together. The Arabian astronomer Alhazen from 965 BC to 1037 BC. Astronomer Alhazen tried to measure the Milky Way galaxy by using the parallax method. He concluded that there was no parallax to the measure of the universe width. Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei, 1564 BC to 1642 BC. Astronomer Galileo in 1610 turned his telescope at the Milky Way galaxy. Galileo had noticed there were a lot of big stars in the Milky Way galaxy. However, these stars shine very faintly in the night sky. Here's the size of the Milky Way galaxy, 100,000 light years across. It could possibly hold some 400 billion stars and 17,000 exoplanets as well. Here's a picture diagram of how the Milky Way galaxy is made up of. Here's the location of where our solar system is found at in the Milky Way galaxy. Here's a picture of Paranal Observatory located in the mountains of northern Chile, located some 2,635 miles above sea level. Owned and operated by the European Southern Observatory and is studying the Milky Way galaxy, seen here in this picture. Keep on enjoying that warm cup of coffee and relaxing in your easy chair. Here are some awesome pictures of the Milky Way galaxy to enjoy viewing. In 1920, there was an astronomy event called the Great Debate. The debate was one which was held at the place seen in the next picture. The debate would be about these two things. 1, the nature of the spiral galaxy, and 2, the expanding universe. The 1920 Great Debate was held here at the Smithsonian National Museum of History in Washington, D.C. It was a debate between the two astronomers in the next couple of pictures. American astronomer Harlow Shapley, 1885 to 1972. Astronomer Shapley uses the RR-Lyry scale to correctly determine the size of the Milky Way galaxy. The astronomer also develops the theory that there is liquid water on exoplanets where Earthlings could possibly live. This is also known as the habitable zone. Here's what is called the RR-Lyry scale. Astronomer Shapley uses this to determine the size of the Milky Way galaxy. Astronomer Shapley develops the theory of what is called the habitable zone. This is where Earthlings could possibly live on exoplanets because water exists there. American astronomer Herbert Curtis, 1872 to 1942. Born in Muskegon, Michigan, died in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Astronomer Curtis at last accepted the view that there was other galaxies located beyond our own. Astronomer Curtis became the director of the Allegheny Observatory at the University of Pittsburgh. He becomes the director here in 1920 after the University of Michigan ran out of the funding their observatory because of the Great Depression. There are 4 popular galaxies that are found in our big universe. These 4 popular galaxies are 1. Andromeda, 2. Magellanic Clouds, 3. Whirlpool Galaxy, and 4. Sombrero Galaxy. We will now take a look at these galaxies in the next few pictures. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 and NGC 224, located about 2.5 million light years away from planet Earth, a part of the local group of galaxies. Stretches some 220,000 million light years across. Andromeda is the largest galaxy in the local group and is located in the Milky Way galaxy group along with about 44 other smaller galaxies as well, found in the constellation of Cassiopeia. Large and small Magellanic Clouds, irregular dwarf galaxies. Large Magellanic Cloud is about 160,000 light years away from planet Earth. Small Magellanic Cloud is located about 200,000 light years away from planet Earth. Large Magellanic Cloud. Small Magellanic Cloud. The third most popular galaxy, the Whirlpool Galaxy, can be located in Messier 51 or NGC 5194. A spiral-type galaxy, located about 23 million light years from planet Earth, can be found in the constellation of Canis Venatici, discovered by the astronomer in the next picture. French astronomer Charles Messier, 1730 to 1817, discovers Whirlpool Galaxy in 1773. It is known for his catalog of the objects he finds in the universe. Messier catalogs about 110 objects in the universe. Whirlpool Galaxies is an interactive galaxy, meaning 2 galaxies that have an influence on each other, seen in this picture. A black hole can be found in this galaxy. Our fourth popular galaxy is this one seen in this picture. Cigar Galaxy is located about 28 million light years away from planet Earth. It can be found in the constellation of Virgo. It stretches across some 50,000 light years. The most notable thing about this galaxy is the center bulge seen here in this picture. It was discovered by the astronomer in the next picture. French astronomer Pierre Macon, 1744 to 1804. The astronomer discovers this galaxy on May 11th, 1781. Here are some more awesome pictures of these galaxies we have just talked about. So just keep on drinking your warm cup of coffee, relax in an easy chair, and enjoy. We'll now take a look at three more popular galaxies found in our universe. These three galaxies are 1. Cigar Galaxy, 2. Pinwheel Galaxy, 3. Triangulum Galaxy. Cigar Galaxy, shaped like a cigar, located in the constellation of Ursa Major M82, an irregular galaxy. The Cigar Galaxy is located some 12 million light years away from planet Earth. Pinwheel Galaxy. The galaxy is shaped like a pinwheel. A barred spiral type galaxy. The galaxy interacts with other galaxies around it through the use of gravitational force. Pinwheel Galaxy is located in the constellation of Ursa Major. It is located about 21 million light years away from planet Earth. Triangulum Galaxy. Location of the constellation of Triangulum. Triangulum Galaxy is a spiral galaxy. Smallest galaxy found in a location of local group of galaxies. The galaxy is located about 27 million light years away from planet Earth. Before we go on to talk about things found in galaxies, here are some more awesome pictures of more galaxies. So get yourself a refill on your cup of coffee, sit back down in an easy chair, relax, and enjoy. Now we'll take a brief look at some of the other objects found in galaxies. We now talk about black holes, dark matter, quasars, and pulsars. A black hole can possibly exist in every galaxy in our universe. A black hole is a spot located at the center of the galaxy. A black hole is a spot in the center of the galaxy that uses gravitational force to swallow other objects into it. Black holes located in the center of galaxies are also known as supermassive black holes, or SMBH. The next few pictures will show what black holes and galaxies look like. So just sit right back down in the easy chair, relax, and enjoy. Now we will take a brief look at what is called dark matter. Dark matter, by definition, is that space that exists between objects in the universe. It is like the air we Earthlings breathe. We know the air is there, but we can't see it. Dark matter consists of the following three things. 1. Dark energy. 2. Ordinary matter. 3. Neutralness. The next few pictures once more will show what dark matter looks like in the universe. So relax and enjoy. We now will take a brief look at what is called quasars. A quasar shines brightly in the galaxies. Quasars only exist where supermassive black holes exist. A quasar, then, is a large and remotely found object in the universe that puts out millions, even trillions, of electron volts. Again, here are some awesome pictures of quasars found in our big universe. So sit right back in the easy chair, relax, and enjoy. We now will take a brief look at the last object found in galaxies called pulsar. A pulsar, by definition, is this: a celestial object that is a rotating neutron star that can put out anywhere from 1 to thousands of pulses per second. Pulsars, then, are like shining lighthouses out in space. The last few pictures will show what pulsars are like, so relax and enjoy. Well, that is all for today's show. Hey, wait a minute. I have a question for Mr. Spock. Go ahead, gal. Ask away. What do you think about these galaxies now? I find them very fascinating, gal. One more question for you, Mr. Spock. Go ahead, gal. Fire away. Are those pointed ears on you for real? Only my hairdresser knows for sure, gal. Only time will tell. What we Earthlings will find when we look up into space and beyond our galaxy.